This is what's left of my previous zero waste strawberry cheesecake clarified milk punch. I've been making countless different clarified milk punch over the past decade, and this is hands down one of the best I've ever made. I mean, come on, strawberry cheesecake in a boozy liquid form, it's really hard to make better than that, right? So let me show you how to make it. So to make the punch, you will need blanco tequila, Oloroso sherry, simple syrup, cream cheese, whole milk, sweetened condensed milk, unsweetened strawberry puree, vanilla extract, and finally lemon and lime juice. For the tools, you will need a couple of large bowls and containers, cheesecloth, a whisk, and a fine mesh strainer. First, in a container, you're gonna add 300 ml of blanco tequila, 125 ml of simple syrup, 75 ml of unsweetened strawberry puree, 100 ml of lemon juice, 30 ml of lime juice, 50 ml of Oloroso sherry, and 2 ml of vanilla extract. Then in another container, you're gonna add 200 ml of whole milk, 70 grams of cream cheese, and 30 ml of sweetened condensed milk. You're gonna whisk vigorously to incorporate the cream cheese into the mixture, and then you simply pour your cocktail mixture over the sweet milk and cheese mix. Usually when you leave a milk punch to rest, you see a clear separation between the curds and the liquid, which is often taken as a sign that the punch is ready to be filtered. Here, I don't know if it's because of the cream cheese or the density of the whole mixture, but this won't happen. But believe me, it is curdling and it's ready to filter as soon as you mix both ingredients together. So you simply pass it through a couple of layers of cheesecloth, and as always, the first drops will be cloudy, so wait until it runs clear, then switch bowls and re-pour the cloudy part back over the unfiltered mix. Then you simply let it filter all the way through. Once it's done filtering, bottle your cocktail, and while milk wash cocktails are shelf stable, I like to keep mine in the fridge so it stays fresh for whenever I want to serve one. Now this time, don't throw away the curds, we're gonna use them for the garnish. Remember I said this was a zero waste milk punch? The leftover curds are packed with flavor and make an amazing topping, adding a beautiful layer of texture and richness to the drink. So to make the foam, you will need your leftover curds, coconut water, simple syrup, xanthan gum, methyl cellulose, a blender, a niacin canister, and one N2O cartridge. In your blender, add your curds, and for every 200 grams of them, add 100 grams of unsweetened coconut water, 50 grams of simple syrup, 1.4 grams of methyl cellulose, and 0.4 gram of xanthan gum. Blend at high speed for 30 seconds, pour into a pint-sized cream whipper, charge with an N2O cartridge, shake vigorously, and then place it in the fridge for 30 minutes before using it. Once ready, I like to pour 4 ounces of the milk punch into a mixing glass and stir briefly over ice. Even if it's already cold from the fridge, I feel like a bit of dilution enhances the experience, opens up the flavors, and just makes it better. Then pour it into a coupe and garnish with your cheesy strawberry foam. The resemblance to strawberry cheesecake is bluffing. Everything is there: the strawberry, the sweet cream cheese deliciousness, the Oloroso and vanilla bring that graham crust flavor, and even with the added acidity, it's more refreshing than sour and it's super light, which perfectly balances the richness of the creamy foam. It's honestly one of my favorite milk punches ever. So that's it, my friends. I hope you're gonna like it. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, to turn the bell if you want to make sure not to miss the next one, and also to check us out on Patreon if you want to support the channel furthermore. So thank you very much again. Have a great day and see you very soon. Cheers.